Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laser engraving machines available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to kickstart a small business, these machines offer something for everyone. You can find product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Wainlux Pro K10 Pre-Watt Laser Engraver Machine. This budget-friendly model is perfect for beginners who want to explore laser engraving without breaking the bank. With its Laser Class 1 safety certification, this machine is designed with user protection in mind. The enclosed design and automatic shutdown safety features make it a great option for home use or education settings. The K10 offers an engraving area of 80 by 80 millimeters, which is compact but sufficient for smaller DIY projects like personalized gifts or pet name tags. One standout feature is its compatibility with multiple software options, including Lightburn and Laser GRBL, and the ability to upload designs via USB or Wi-Fi. However, it's limited in terms of material versatility, as it struggles with reflective materials like metals unless properly prepped. In terms of build quality, the K10 is lightweight with a sturdy frame and transparent cover for easy monitoring during operation. It also comes pre-assembled, making setup a breeze. While it lacks the precision and power of higher-end models, its 0.01 mm accuracy and 3000 mm per minute speed are impressive for its price point. If you're a beginner or want a simple, reliable machine for lightweight engraving jobs, the Wainlux Pro K10 delivers great value. Ideal for small crafts and DIY enthusiasts, this machine won't disappoint for its price. Pros include beginner-friendly features and affordability, while cons include its limited engraving area and struggles with reflective surfaces. At number 4, we have the Acmer S1 Portable Laser Cutter and Engraver CNC Machine. This is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $89.49, making it a true budget pick. Don't let the price fool you. The S1 packs some impressive features for its compact design. It boasts a 3.5-watt laser with the ability to engrave over 100 different materials, including wood, metal, acrylic, and leather. Its mini size and portable design make it ideal for hobbyists who need a machine they can transport easily. The 130 by 130 millimeter engraving area is small but maximized for efficiency, allowing you to work on multiple small items simultaneously. The Acmer S1 comes pre-assembled, meaning you can get started right out of the box without the hassle of setup. Its ultra-fine laser output and integrated laser scale ensure precise positioning for intricate projects. However, the S1 is better suited for light-duty engraving rather than heavy cutting tasks. The lack of advanced safety features and slightly limited material compatibility may make it less appealing for professional users. Still, if you're looking for a portable, entry-level machine to tackle small DIY projects, the Acmer S1 is a fantastic choice. Pros include portability and affordability, while cons include its limited engraving size and lower power output compared to higher-tier models. Coming in at number 3 is the AtomStack P1 5-watt laser engraver, an excellent mid-range option for beginners and small businesses alike. What makes the P1 stand out is its Class 1 laser safety certification, meaning it's safe for home, office, or classroom use. Its fully enclosed design eliminates the need for protective goggles, and its auto shutdown safety features provide added peace of mind. The P1 offers a compact 110 by 110 millimeter engraving area and a high engraving speed of 10,000 millimeters per second, which allows you to complete projects quickly and efficiently. It's ideal for engraving coasters, phone cases, or other small items, and the included software provides over 1,000 material templates to get you started. The P1 is lightweight and portable, with a solid unibody construction that feels durable and well-made. Its precision, with a 0.06 millimeter engraving spot and 0.1 millimeter positioning accuracy, ensures clean and detailed results on materials like wood, leather, and coated metals. However, it's not suitable for reflective surfaces or some transparent materials without additional prep. While it's not the most versatile machine on this list, Its ease of use and safety features make it perfect for beginners or educational environments. Pros include high speed and safety features, while cons include its smaller engraving area and limited material compatibility. At number 2, we have the longer laser engraver Ray 5W higher accuracy DIY laser engraving machine. This machine offers a powerful combination of precision, speed, and versatility, all at a reasonable price point of $197.84. With a spacious 400 by 400 millimeter working area, the Ray 5 is perfect for larger projects or batch engraving. Its advanced 0.08 millimeter laser point and engraving accuracy of 0.01 millimeter allow for intricate designs that are crisp and clean. The Ray 5 supports multiple connectivity options, including USB, Wi-Fi, and TF card, making it incredibly flexible for offline usage. The build quality is robust, with a durable frame and a user-friendly 3.5-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Safety is a priority with features like emergency shutdown, motion protection, and overheating prevention. Material compatibility is extensive, handling everything from wood and metal to glass and acrylic. Despite its high-speed performance of 10,000 millimeters per minute, the Ray 5 remains energy efficient thanks to its powerful ESP32 chipset. However, while it's suitable for professionals and hobbyists alike, its setup can be slightly more complex compared to other models. Pros include precision, versatility, and safety features, while cons include a steeper learning curve for beginners. Finally, at number 1, we have the longer Nano 6000 milliwatt laser engraver, the premium option on our list, priced at $503.99. This machine is designed for professionals who demand top-notch precision and performance. With its 6000 milliwatt optical output, it can effortlessly cut basswood up to 6 millimeters thick and acrylic up to 4.5 millimeters, making it one of the most powerful machines in its class. The Nano's dual-lens focusing technology enables an engraving precision of up to 0.05 millimeters, perfect for intricate designs and detailed projects. Its high-speed galvanometer technology offers engraving speeds of up to 5,000 millimeters per second and preview speeds of up to an astonishing 32,000 millimeters per second. The Nano's build quality is exceptional, featuring a portable design with a dedicated handle for handheld or desktop use. It supports both light burn and laser GRBL software, catering to users of all experience levels with seamless setup and operation. While it's packed with features, its higher price point and slight learning curve may make it less accessible for casual users. If you're looking for a machine that combines speed, precision, and versatility for professional-grade projects, the longer Nano is the ultimate choice. Pros include exceptional cutting capabilities and precision, while cons include its high price and steeper learning curve. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Stay creative and happy engraving.